the Inland Empire really makes a difference by having a seat at the table, right, of our state boards and our commissions. If we want our voices heard, if we want resources coming in to our region, into our area, it is extremely important that we have a seat at the table. Your representation will really help transform the landscape of all of our communities.
This is actually a very special place for me to be. It's special because I started out at a community college. It was a very safe place. I was not ready nor prepared to go to a four-year university, and walking into and having the support of those teachers and my fellow students and being in a small environment is what then prepared me to walk into the classroom with 300 people in it. It really is just a wonderful place to learn and be supported. So I wanted to say we've appointed over 100 people from the Inland Empire, and it has been a very purposeful action. Even recently, we just put out our Racial Equity Commission, which is going to be doing incredible work, and there's somebody on there from San Bernardino County. So we are making sure it's not just talk.
Today we had Cathryn Rivera stop by and give us a quick presentation. There was a lot of educational information that was given as far as application goes, and it was very informative.
Yeah, so one thing that I did learn today was that it is just so important at this moment to increase diversity in committees and boards. Very important for some of us members who have diverse stories, who have struggles, to go ahead and apply for those boards to make sure that our diverse ideas are captured and that policy is implemented and our policy reflects a more holistic and more diverse California.